Here they come. The slim ones. The trim ones. Who are they? They're the Metrecal for Lunch bunch. At lunchtime, instead of fattening food, they have delicious Metrecal milkshake flavors to help stay slim and trim. 14 different Metrecal milkshake flavors that taste just like milkshakes, with the protein hungry dieters need. To help keep slim, have Metrecal for lunch, just lunch. Then at night, you can enjoy dinner. Eat sensibly, but eat the food you like. Join the Metrecal for Lunch bunch.